Nityanandam, requesting all the Mahasadashivoham participants to kindly be seated without the upper cloth. Male bodies, please remove your upper cloth and be seated with the proper application of Bhasma, Vibhuti, the sacred ash, with the Panchapatram and Uttarani in front of you. Same thing for the female bodies. Make sure you have the Panchapatram and Uttarani in front of you. And everyone please sit immediately. All the Rudras and Rudrakanyas, help everyone settle down immediately. We're going to start.
May I request all the female participants to kindly tie your hair completely. Nityananda Yoga is directly from Mahasadashiva, from the Agamas Yogapada. Since Lord Sadashiva has laid down yoga as a part of the daily ritual, all the male volunteers and Rudras, kindly remove your upper cloth. All the hall volunteers who are assisting here in the hall, male bodies, should have removed their upper cloth during this yoga session. In the Agamas, Mahasadashiva compassionately gives us 4 parts, 4 pillars of our life, the lifestyle that we need to follow, the puja, the rituals, the yoga, and the sacred truths of enlightenment jnana.
Nityanandam, requesting all the Rudras and Rudrakanyas to ensure that the attendance is been taken and everyone is in the hall. Let's immediately check if anyone is not here yet and call them immediately for the session. This is the first session of the day with Swamiji. And Swamiji has spent the whole night preparing a very special and sacred Aushadha. Swamiji has come without taking rest after finishing the Aushadha and all the sacred rituals all night, being prepared, and just to be here to share this with all of us. So kindly requesting complete attendance and complete listening space.
See, whole night I spent sitting and making the Aushadha and making the first batch of Adinavasis manifest that power. I think only morning 4 o'clock, almost it became 4. What happened? Almost 6 o'clock, sorry. And I did not sleep till you guys came from the temple. You guys heard the bell ringing. Then after that came and gave me the report. Only after all you guys left the temple, I went to rest. Please understand, if somebody is really sick, okay. But otherwise do not waste time. After going back you can sleep, eat, do what you want. When you are here, when I am here, when you are here, let us not waste time. Let's be together. Yesterday night I made the Aushadha. Can you guys just run and get the Aushadha? See, for women, apply on all the 3 points in the temple, and 1 pepper should be eaten. And the pepper is mixed in the Aushadha. Pepper is the Aushadha in which the programming is done. So 1 pepper they should eat. For all the men, all the 3 temple and 1 pepper, they should swallow it. Instruction is same. Let Rudras supply for men and Rudrakanya supply for women. All the 3 temples and 1 pepper should be eaten. Can you just get the Aushadha? Actually with this Aushadha, if you inhale and exhale the breathing space of Sadashiva which I am creating here, you are going to manifest an important power, ability to have access to information. Once the yoga session is over, you will manifest. the power, and we can start the yoga. Once the Aushadha comes, we can apply.
Nityanandam. Kindly be seated with your head, neck and spine in a straight line. Please have your hands in the Namaskara Mudra. Close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your third eye and connect with Swamiji through your third eye as we enter into the Sadguru Vandanam. Om Nityanandam Paramasukhadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadrisham Tattvamasyadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadhi Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Keeping your eyes closed, let us chant the Shiva Mula Mantra 11 times. Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namaha. 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 Slowly, very slowly open your eyes. Let us enter into.
Visualize your body is made out of wax, no bones inside. Pure wax. You will see the whole flexibility and possibility, no pain. Stiram Sukham Asanam. That's a description of Patanjali. Stable and joyful is posture. Neither instability nor pain can generate through yoga. If the two comes, it is not yoga. The definition of posture is Stiram Sukham Asanam. It will bring stability to your body and pleasure to your body. Just visualize your whole body is made out of wax and move into the postures.
Let us enter into the Achamanam. Please take one Uddharani, 1 spoon of water in your right palm and drink the water along with the chanting of the mantra. Atma Tattvam Shodhayami Svadha. Another Uddharani of water on your right palm. Vidya Tattvam Shodhayami Svadha. Another Uddharani of water on your right palm. Shiva Tattvam Shodhayami Svadha. Wash your right hand.
May I request, I think the participants from Gujarat, one team came just 2 days before. I think you are all struggling a lot because it is too new. If you guys come in the front, I'll tell the Swami to give you more attention and educate you. Do one thing. These are not simple, these are important steps before starting yoga. Go and just make them do it, let them become comfortable in doing it. The students and participants who came, few days before from Gujarat. If you guys, no, I am not asking you others to go back. That team can come in the front. Friend, there is so much place here. Why you can't include? There is so much place in the front. See, none of the participants need to go back. There is so much place in the front. Coming to the front does not mean going back. See, the kids who came from Gujarat last few days, just few days before, and the participants, even the participants, come and sit. The participants who came from Gujarat, I think I am seeing you are all struggling with this Achamanam and all that. Even female side, I am seeing you guys are struggling. The new people are struggling. You make sure they are doing it. They catch it. Rudras, give special attention to this group and make sure they are feeling comfortable and settled and able to do all the process and rituals. Come on, let's start. Please understand, all these small things matters. Don't think all this does not matter. Applying the sacred ash, doing the Achamana before beginning, doing the conscious declaration, Sangalpa, all this matters. If you practice few days, you will understand how much all this adds value to your stable practice. All of you understand. When you do the whole yoga as a ritual dedicated to Sadashiva, you get the results, powers which you can never imagine, because the context and the reason why you are doing what you are doing matters than what you are doing. Understand, why you are doing what you are doing matters than what you are doing. Context brings tremendous results. Dropping a flower by mistake is different. Dropping the same flower, remembering Shiva, is different. Somebody asked me, why do you pour milk on linga? I said, no, we pour on Sadashiva, it falls on linga. Understand? We pour on Sadashiva, it falls on linga. We are not pouring on linga. We pour on Sadashiva, it falls on linga. Context, why you do what you do, plays a major role in bringing the results.
Nityanandam, requesting everyone to kindly sit with your head, neck and spine in a straight line. This will facilitate the flow of Kundalini through the Sushumna Nadi, through your spine straight.
Tell them I am sitting personally here to initiate. Now this, the yesterday night Aushadha I am going to apply for all of them. And you are going to manifest powers now. Come on. Tell them I am little nagging guru. Come on, start.
Before entering into any ritual in the Vedic, in our Hindu Sanatana Dharma, we always started with the performance of Achamanam. Achamanam is the ritualistic cleansing of our mouth, and as well at the same time aligning the image.
Cleansing of our aura. Cleansing of our aura and aligning the energy to the cosmic geometry.
Achamanam brings cleansing of the aura and alignment to the cosmic geometry.
See, chamanam means balancing. Achamana means balancing everything which has existence.
as we exist in this physical form, as what you cognize yourself as to be, and you have an existence with respect to the world, and you have an existence with respect to Sadashiva. So you have a relationship with you, the world, and Sadashiva, aligning it to the ultimate cosmic geometry, as ultimate state of Maha Sadashivatva happens through this Achamana. So before every ritual, we align ourselves to the ultimate context of Maha Sadashivatva by performing the Achamana. Hence we do Achamana before yoga, before puja, and before every ritual. It's called Uddharani. This is Panchapatram. This spoon is called Uddharani. Can I request everyone to repeat once so that we remember whenever I say Uddharani? Uddharani. Thank you. Please sit with your head, neck, spine straight line. When you sit,
Let the Merudanda be straight, the spine fully erect.
You can bring the shoulders slightly up and back. Slightly up and back. Yes. Keeping the heart lifted.
now you will have your hands like this, right hand like this, right hand like this in front of you, and you will take the Uddharani, the spoon, and take the water from it and pour it on your right palm. And as I chant the mantra, you will be drinking the water this way. Atmatattvam shodhayami svadha. Pour another Uddharani of water in your right palm. Drink when I chant the mantra. Vidya tattvam shodhayami svadha. Another Uddharani of water, third time. Shiva tattvam shodhayami svadha. Now wash off your right hand.
I wanted the team from the Gujarat to feel included. So you be always with them and make sure they understand every ritual and they feel happy about being included. Otherwise they feel like they are completely new and they are somewhere. And you guys have already finished almost so many days. Now they are suddenly into this session. Many things we think we already know or everyone knows, it will be very new for them. Setting the context, making them understand and making them understand the importance of even small things. What we consider as small things. So please spend a little time with them and make them feel comfortable and feel included.